Good, so I'm Greg Saunders, and I'm going to do a demonstration of Monopole floor coating. This is a water-based epoxy. It is a phenomenal product. As you can see it here, it's called Monochem 21, and it is a two-component water-based epoxy that will stick to anything. You don't want to use it in sunlight, but I'm doing my garage with it, and we're doing a special coating with a special sprinkle. I'm going to show you how to mix it, and we'll apply it, and then we will show you how we are putting our special color into the paint. Okay, it's a 2-to-1 mix. I have a bucket here, and I have a mixing ratio, so we're going to do these buckets are very handy. Because you can see exactly what you're mixing. You can purchase these at Annex Paint. This is part B, and we're filling it up to the appropriate amount. Mix it. It's never smart to eyeball things that require a mixing ratio. This is a 2-to-1 mix. Now we're going to agitate it or stir it up. A little bit of extra acetone I left over to clean off my drill bit. And now we're going to pour it onto the floor. There's a 30-minute pot life to this, so we want to get on the floor quickly. I usually pour it on the floor and roll it out. Okay, here we go. Use a foam roller with this product, and I've been rolling, as you can see, but I'm just going to move the paint around. I actually like pushing the paint around and getting a consistency across my workspace. A little more here. The fun part with this material is going to be shortly when we start laying in the mica and the other colors. I don't know if you can see it from your vantage point, but we have many different colors broadcast into this paint. This floor, by the way, was shot blasted so that we removed all the paint from it previously, and it's been stripped. Additionally, I washed it with a concrete cleaner, and then I also have hosed it down and mopped it down, so it's very clean. Alright. A few little spots where I should have filled. I also, by the way, filled the cracks with an epoxy crack filler. That was a product from Westcoat that worked very well. That was a 2-component epoxy crack filler. The Monopole 21 hides phenomenally well. It's covering all the cracks, all the little cracks, and the epoxy filler. Okay, now comes the fun part. We'll now broadcast our colors into the paint. We're using several different things. We have a mica that I purchased from Monopole Industries, which is very good. We're also using several other colorants that we've purchased from other places. We found the best way to put this down is with this technique of throwing it up in the air and fanning it. Very important technique here. There we go. This is bringing some blue flame. And we're just trying to get a light coat. I don't know if you can see it, but it's evenly dispersed and a little bit of blue. There's blue, gold, silver, and red. And believe it or not, it does not look like a Christmas tree. The fanning is actually very important because it gives the speckles, it lets them fall evenly and you get to disperse them. So we've done blue, silver. Now we have a little bit of gold. We'll be top coating this with another Monopole product, Monopole Permashield 2000, which is a fast dry product that will put a heavy clear coat on top that will be impenetrable. One of the great things about the Monopole 21, which is the paint we're working on now, is that it will stick to anything. I probably didn't need to clean this floor as well as I did, but paint preps are everything. further dispersed. And now we're using the rum mica from Monopole. It's a phenomenal product and it sinks into the coating very well. We want a little spice, so we have several different colors. We have one more. We use the rum mica and the gold mica from Monopole. This is why we fan it, because sometimes big clumps fall in one spot, which is what we don't want. That's the technique. The higher you throw it up, the more it disperses. Sometimes.